Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Over the Table's Random Reviews. If you're not subscribed to the channel, click the subscribe button. You're missing out on some pretty cool products. I know you guys have seen the video of the neck fan that I reviewed, the really cheap eBay version. Had some issues and it wasn't perfect. But what we've got is another version of the neck fan. It's just a tiny bit more cost, but if it comes with a lot more quality, it might just be worth it. Also, I want to point out, guess what I found? My loyal subscribers know exactly what this is. The mini meat cleaver knife. Couldn't find it. Finally found it. So that's what we're going to be using to open this thing up. So let's get started. Alright guys, so like I said, mini meat cleaver knife is what we're going to use to open this package. If you want to watch the review on this, you can go check that video out. Alright, now, okay. Alright, so what you get in the package is you get instructions, you get a regular micro USB charging cable, and of course you get the fan. The fan is wrapped in some plastic, so that keeps it protected from scratches and whatnot. It does come in multiple different colors. I got the white version. I believe the other color is red. I went with white because it's very neutral and goes with anything. Wow, the design of this is interesting. It's definitely a completely different setup than the one that I reviewed last. It looks like the fan blades spin, and instead of it coming out the front or the back, it comes out the tops, which is actually perfect because when you put this thing on, the fans blow the air up towards your neck and your face instead of having to angle it like this to get the airflow toward you. That is a very nice little feature there. Let's go ahead and see if this thing turns on. Oh, it's on. Wow, that is quiet. Guys, that's quiet. I've got it right next to the microphone. And that's quiet. That's very quiet. I'm sure it has multiple speeds, so let's hit the button again. That's decent airflow. Again. Alright. It gets a little noisy when you get up there in fan speed. But I can tell you, that's still a lot quieter than the last one was. And that's all there is to it. You hit the button once to go to lowest setting. Second time brings you to medium setting. Third time brings you to the fastest setting. So I'm going to put it on and see how it feels. Oh, that's weird. That's like giving me a chill because air rushing onto your neck is a very odd sensation, but it's not a bad one. Let's just go max. Let's see how max. Wow. Guys. Wow. No, that feels nice. That feels nice. It feels very, very nice. This thing is made of plastic, and of course it's got kind of this rubberized, flexible... Wow, it's just so easy to flex, and it stays in place. I don't know what this is made of, but it's very high quality. Like, you see how effortless it is to bend it, but it stays in place. It just feels very nice. I could see where spending a little bit more does get you more quality. If you guys want to get your own, I'll pop a link in the description. This is a great thing to have. Keeps the head, neck cool, which is pretty important. If you're sweating, I know I'm in Florida, so it gets really hot here, and you really feel that heat in your face. This is a good solution to that problem. I enjoy the product, and I'd say I recommend it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up if you want to. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit it. I've got a 5,000 subscriber video giveaway up right now, and I've also got a 10,000 one coming in the future. You don't want to miss out. If you want to check out my last review, it's going to be up there, and if you want to check out the random reviews playlist, it'll be over there. Have a great day, everybody, and as always, don't get shot.